marang'echol. Nyakora jong wadhi mbele gi miweche manyien. Obila pod medo geng'o ne mama Pacifica Nyakirario, Rael Nyakirario kachiel gi Alex Maina Ochogo e kar twech ma Kisii nyaka tarik 18 dwe mar achiel higa manyien. To kwedo bura manyocha odonjnegigo mar lodho oko wenge Buch Sagini kata nyathi mano miluongo ni Sagini. Jang'ad bura Christine Otieno Ogweno owinjo kwayo mag jogo manyocha ochwalo burano mano mar geng'o achije 3 go kaluwore gi arita margi ponono ne gidok dala. Burano nyaka sani oseyoro riwruoge kaka mano mar Okinde LSK bad migawo mochung' ne weche nyithindo kachiel gi kanisa mar Sitam.
I will not be in the interest of the said public order, peace and security. There is a danger to their lives. The public where they live, because even where they come from, the family members and the victim are still reeling from pain.
And if they are released to the public, they might be harmed, Your Honor.
The prosecution shall satisfy the court on a balance of probabilities of existence of compelling reasons that justify the denial of bond. The prosecution therefore must state the reasons that in its view should persuade the court to deny the accused person's bail, which include that the accused person is likely to fail to attend court, that is likely to commit or abet the commission of a serious offense, the accused person is likely to endanger the safety of victims, individuals, or the public, that is likely to interfere with witnesses or evidence, that is likely to endanger security, and that it is in the public interest to detain the accused person in